Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix delay or latency problems when recording in BandLab on your PC. First of all, run the latency test. Open your project in BandLab. If you have not created, simply hit create and your project will be open. Now, at the left side you will see the three bar and click on the setting gear icon. Here, then go to the audio. Here you will find the latency test. Run it once. BandLab will measure the delay between your mic and speakers, then automatically correct the timing of your recordings. Now step 2 is to use the wired headphones. Always use wired headphones instead of Bluetooth. Wireless earbuds often add extra delay that no software can fully fix. Wired headphones give the cleanest, most accurate timing. Now step 3 is to optimize PC and browser. Close any background apps that are using your CPU or internet. Check your background apps that are running. You can click Ctrl, Shift and ESC to open the task manager and you can see the background application that are running and you can simply close them. Also make sure you are using Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge since BandLab is optimized for these browsers. Keeping your PC drivers updated also help reduce delay. And that's it. Run the latency test, use wired headphones and keep your PC optimized and your BandLab recording should sound perfectly in sync. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more BandLab tips and I'll see you in the next one.